Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy, Chennai 71. Today we are going to study the Fourier series problems. So definition of Fourier series is in the interval 0, 2 pi, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, where a naught is equal to 1 by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. An is equal to 1 by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Let us solve one problem. These are the formulas. Determine the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to x square in the interval 0, 2 pi. The answer is, first you have to write the formula. You have to see the interval. Interval is 0, 2 pi. This is the general Fourier series. So general Fourier series formula is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. In the interval 0, 2 pi, a naught is equal to, you have to find the value of a naught, an, bn. After finding the value of a naught, bn, an, bn, you substitute in Fourier series formula. Okay. So first we will find the value for a naught. A naught is equal to 1 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. What is f of x? That is given in the problem x square. So 1 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi x square dx is equal to 1 divided by pi x square. You have to integrate x cube by 3. That is in the previous video I explained it. So 1 divided by pi x square, if you are integrating x cube by 3, limit is 0 to 2 pi. First you have to apply the upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 divided by pi, for x 2 pi upper limit 2 pi whole cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3. 0 cube will be 0, second term. First term 1 divided by pi 2 pi whole cube, 2 cube pi cube. 2 cube is 8, pi cube is pi cube. So 1 divided by pi, 8 pi cube divided by 3. So 1 divided by pi into 8 pi cube divided by 3, pi cube divided by pi will become pi square. So 8 pi square divided by 3. This is a naught. Next we have to find the value of an. An is equal to 1 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx, which is equal to 1 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x is given in the problem x square into cos nx dx. In a naught, directly we integrate x square. But here there are two terms, x square as well as cos nx. So we have to use the Bernoulli's formula. The Bernoulli's formula is integral uv dx. U is x square, v is cos nx, dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. U dash, u double dash, u triple dash, these are differentiation. v1, v2, v3, v4, these are called integration. So u is equal to x square, v is equal to cos nx. So u is equal to x square. U dash is equal to x square, you have to differentiate 2x. U double dash, 2x you have to differentiate 2. U triple dash 0. Constant term if you are differentiating 0. V cos nx. V1, one time you have to integrate. Cos nx if you are integrating sin nx by n. Sin nx if you are integrating nx by n, if you are integrating minus cos nx by n square. V3 is equal to minus sin nx by n cube. So these all values you have to use in the formula, Bernoulli's formula. So 1 divided by pi into u v1. U is x square. V1 is sin nx by n minus u dash v2. 2x v2 is minus cos nx by n square plus u double dash 2 v3 minus sin nx by n cube. Limit is 0 to 2 pi. So 1 divided by pi x square sin nx by n minus 2x minus cos nx will become plus 2x cos nx by n square minus 2 sin nx by n cube. Limit is 0 to 2 pi. So for x you have to apply the limit 2 pi minus for x you have to apply the limit lower limit is 0. So 1 divided by pi 2 pi whole square sin 2n pi by divided by n plus 2 into 2 pi cos 2n pi divided by n square minus 2 into sin 2n pi divided by n cube minus if you apply the lower limit every term will become 0 because x square 0 square 0 into sin 0 0 2x x is 0 so 2 into 0 0 0 cos 0 0 minus 2 sin 0 0 sin 0 0 so which is equal to sin 2n pi 0 sin 2n pi 0 only you will get to middle term 2 into 2 pi 4 pi cos 2n pi value is 1. So 4 pi into 1 divided by n square. 1 divided by pi, 4 pi divided by n square. Pi cancel, pi divided by pi cancel. So 4 divided by n square. An is equal to 4 divided by n square. Next we have to find using the same rule Bn. So Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx which is equal to 1 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to 2 pi x square sin nx dx. Bernoulli's formula again we have to use integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. U is equal to x square, u dash is equal to x square if you are differentiating 2x, u double dash 2x if you are differentiating 2, u triple dash 2 if you are differentiating 0. V is equal to sin nx, v1 is equal to sin nx if you are integrating minus cos nx by n. v2 is equal to minus cos nx by n if you are differentiating minus sin nx by n square. v3 is equal to minus sin nx by n square you have to integrate v1 v2 v3 cos nx divided by n cube. So therefore 1 by pi u v1 x square minus cos nx by n minus u dash v2 2x minus sin nx by n square plus u double dash v3 2 into cos nx by n cube. Limit is 0 to 2 pi. So if you apply the limit 1 divided by pi for x you have to apply upper limit minus for x you have to apply the lower limit 0. So 2 pi whole square minus cos 2n by divided by n plus 2 into 2 pi sin 2n by n square plus 2 into cos 2n by n cube minus for x square if you apply lower limit 0 0 first term second term 2x x if you apply 0 0 second term also third term will become 2 into cos 0 divided by n cube. Now we have to remind the formula what we have studied. Cos 2n pi is equal to 1, sin 2n pi is equal to 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1. So here first term will become cos 2n pi will be 1. So minus 4 pi square divided by n. 1 by pi minus 4 pi square divided by n. Second term sin 2n pi it will become 0. Third term 2 cos 2n pi will be 1. So 1 into 2 divided by n cube. Third final term will be minus 2 divided by n cube. So plus 2 divided by n cube minus 2 divided by n cube cancelled. So 1 divided by pi minus 4 pi square by n. Pi square divided by pi will become pi. So minus 4 pi divided by n. This is Bn value. So A0, An, Bn value we have to apply in the formula. F of x is equal to A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. A naught is 8 pi square by 3 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an is 4 divided by n square cos nx plus bn is minus 4 pi divided by n sin nx. So 8 pi square by 3 divided by 2, you can cancel 2, 8 by 2, 4. So f of x is equal to 4 pi square divided by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 divided by n square cos nx minus 4 pi by n sin nx. Thank you all.